Now I want to start getting control of his body, his shoulders. So while we're walking forward here, I'm going to start putting a little bit of pressure with my inside leg. It'll be my left leg, and start pushing a little bit. See if I can get a little bit of side pass going. There we go. And let's go back forward again. Just let out a big breath of air. That was really good. Had a couple of horses come in lately, him being one of them. It just seemed like when they were started, they weren't started all that great. And I think part of what's going on is the price of horses now has shot up a lot. So people are not really putting the work into getting them broke and getting the miles on them that they should, because they're seeing that quick cash selling a horse. Don't know if that's what the case is on him or not. That's just kind of a pattern it seems like I'm seeing with horses coming in for training right now. Not used to having a horse this tall here. I need to trim them limbs. Good boy. Get him stopped and turn around, face the camera, and let's see if we got any backup. Using my outside leg here, my left leg to push, push. And just like I talked about in the other videos, I'm timing that push when that outside leg is coming up off the ground. I mean, that's going to put the cue on him at a time when he can do what I'm asking him to do. So push, push, push. There we go. Good boy. Go back to the left. Open my left a little bit. Push, push, push. There we go. Have somebody supposed to start building a cover for this pen. They were supposed to come about 2 weeks ago, start on the foundation, but it hasn't dried up enough for them to get started. So maybe in a couple of months, this pen here will actually be covered. Really excited about that. So this is Brew. I'm going to quit on him for today. I will make some more videos of him. We're supposed to have a cold front come through next week. And after the cold front, I think it's supposed to get drier. So I'll get some more videos of him when it's a little bit drier and I can do a little bit more. Until next time, thank you for watching.